Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix HPW Wi-Fi not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server address SE, 888888844. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.